Okay, I'll start again.
Sorry. Okay. All right. So today is Thursday. The agenda is on the sideboard there. Get a pencil that actually works, Miss Reyes. All right. We've already done one of the warm-up problems. I've already checked your homework. Raise your hand if your homework was not checked. Okay. All right. We'll get it, Tamir. All right. We're going to work on, I'm going to model for you today how to evaluate exponents. We'll do a teacher model. Again, I'm going to shorthand this. We're going to do some guided practice with that. We have a foldable that we're going to do. I put on your desk, and we have that foldable, and we're going to do some guided practice problems. All right. Our homework, we need to make sure that we complete Thursday's homework. If you didn't finish Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, please go back and do Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, showing your work. Don't forget about the help videos. They will go to your Remind accounts at 2:00. Okay. Also, it is on Canvas, so please go to Canvas to view that video if it doesn't come up for Remind for you. Questions, comments, or concerns? Let's write our homework in our planner as well. Let's write our homework. Let me go ahead and stamp this for you, Tamir. Don't forget to show your work here how you got those numbers, okay? You understand?
Yep.
Okay. Please make sure that you take out your planner. Remember, your planner is a grade, so we want to make sure that we keep up with our planner and that we're writing our homework in. We're on week 4. Let's look at Wednesday and check off what we did last night. If you watched the video, check it off. If you didn't watch the video, don't check it off. If you completed the homework, check it off. If you actually studied, check that off. Now let's write on our new date. Today's Thursday. At the top, I'm going to put Q1W4 because it's Q1, week 4. Today, we have Math 8 homework. Same thing. Watch the video. Watch those homework help videos. Complete your homework. You need to make sure the packet is complete. If you're absent, you're still responsible for doing those warm-up problems. So let's make sure that our warm-up problems are complete before we submit that. Okay, if you're absent, you know that you have days to make up work. You have 2 days for every day that you're absent. So make sure that you understand, complete that stuff, and then immediately turn it in once you have finished it. We need to study. We don't have a quiz on Friday, but we do. Actually, it's really short. Like it's going to be super duper short. I just want to know that you understand estimating those roots. Okay, it's super duper short. Yes, babe. Zoom in. Okay, so make sure that you study your notes. Please study your notes on estimating. Okay, estimating roots. Go back and look at real numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. Okay. Some of us did very, very good on the last assessment. We had a lot of people to make 100. So on this very, very short assessment I expect nothing less than that. Okay. And then next week, on Friday, we have our unit test because we'll be finished with this unit. The last thing that we're doing is what we're starting today, which is laws of exponents. Okay. Any questions? Yes, baby. Coming back? Okay, good. Thank you, babe. All right. Any questions about that? Okay. All right. Let's turn and look at that warm up real quickly. Miss Peoples, are you okay with doing the warm up while we do the bathroom or no?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. If you're staying in, I want you to do the second problem. If not, let's meet me in the hall for the bathroom, and then just press the pause button.
Yes.
Yes, baby. Are you okay, baby? Just look it down. Are you okay? All right, guys. Kason and my other friends in here. How do we use distributive property? What do I need to do first to get that negative with and get rid of the parentheses? You gotta multiply it in or distribute it in, right? Yeah. Why is this not working? So if I put the negative into the 2, I now have what? Negative 2a. And then I have negative, and I gotta multiply it over here. 2 negatives equal a positive. Okay? 5 times b would be what? 5b. Negative 5 times positive 6 would be what? Negative 30, thank you. Now what do I do, Kason? Now what do I do, Carter? What do I need to combine? Like terms, good. Negative 2a and negative 5b, or negative 2a and negative 30a make what? I'm combining, am I adding or multiplying? Adding. Which is negative 32. Good job, Miss Peoples. You're so smart. A or B? A. Now we need to add the what? The B's. So what's 4, positive 4, and negative 5? Huh? 1? Minus 1. Good. Do I have to put the 1B there? Or just when you have a B, it's automatically a 1 in front of it, right? Right. If you put 1B there, would it be wrong? No, but if you didn't put a 1 there, it'd still be okay too, right? Because the rule is that there's always going to be a number right here. Like in front of here. All right, here we go. Put this in your folder. What part of your folder are you going to put your packet in? Work to do. All right, we're going to finish it tonight. Okay, the foldable. I'm going to show you how to fold it one more time. For those of you that didn't fold it just now. Okay, we're going. I know. Thank God it is, isn't it? Shh, no. All right, let me move this up a little bit. So your paper should be flat, just like this. We're going to take the top part, if you hadn't already done it, and fold it down just like this, okay? Yeah, I know. Doing it again. Some people don't have it. And then I'm going to take the bottom part, sorry, y'all, and fold it to that solid line as well. Okay? Now I'm going to take my scissors, okay? And I'm going to lift this slab up, and I'm just going to cut the little dotted line. The little dotted or dash line. More of a dash. I'm going to cut the dash line just like this, just so I can lift it. I'm going to cut this dash line just so I can lift it. I'm going to cut this dash line just so I can bring it down. And then I'm going to cut this dash line. Okay? And I'm going to pause for the calls to give us a chance to do that. Okay, in your interactive notebook, before we start pasting this down, it's a couple things that we need to know about exponent and base. So let's write these couple things down. We're going to do this on page 17. So take out your notebook, please. Take out your notebook, please. Label it page 17. Sometimes my mind works a little faster than my mouth.
You mean your mouth works faster?
No, that's what I meant it the right way. So it comes out in a blur. A little bit. 17. All right, here we go. Yeah, my mouth is trying to catch up. It's like, ugh, and it don't come out right. Page 17. Laws of exponents. All right. At some point or another, we have seen exponents. So we're going to talk about that part, okay? Going to go back very, very basic and what an exponent actually is. Let's put a star because this is very important information to know about exponent if you never knew it before. We use exponents as a faster way to multiply, okay? We use exponents as a faster way to multiply. We use exponents as a faster way to multiply. Okay? Just like multiplication is a faster way to add, exponents is a faster way to multiply. Write this down, Casey. Write this down, baby. All right. So now let's talk about exponent base relationship because we've seen this before. We may see something that looks like this. 2 to the 5th power. The 5, the lower 5 or the smaller 5 that's in the top right corner is called the exponent. The bigger number on the bottom, or what we call the base. The exponent, the smaller number in the right corner, tells you how many times to multiply the big number or the base times itself. Okay, so definition here, this number is going to tell you, you can put tells you how many, I'll separate this for those that can't see that. Times to multiply the base times itself. Okay. Carter, you got it? Where's your notebook? Come on, baby. Kason, did you write? Okay, good job, babe. Okay, the base, this number right here, that number, the bigger number, the number that's on the bottom, is the number that's being multiplied. The base is the number that is being multiplied. The base is the number that is being multiplied. Now we're going to simplify exponents. We've already established what it looks like. Now we need to be able to solve or simplify it, okay? And we've seen this before. Maybe we have forgotten, and guess what? That's okay. So let's simplify it. Let's do 2 to the 5th power, and I'm going to go down one more line because I need to write something above it. 2 to the 5th power, we're going to write in expanded or exponential form. I'm going to put expanded. Sometimes you'll see expanded form, and sometimes they'll refer to expanded form since it's exponents. Sometimes they'll say exponential form. Okay? Let's write the expanded form of 2 to the 5th power. Are there any guesses as to what that is going to look like? Very good, Abby. It's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How many times did we multiply 2? 5 times. And why did we multiply it 5 times? Because the exponent is 5. Very good, Ricardo. 2 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're multiplying. Some people get confused and they think we're adding. But remember, exponents is a faster way to multiply. So now we're going to simplify this. What's 2 times 2? 4. Bring this down. What is 4 times 2? 8. Bring this down. What is 8 times 2? 16. Good job, y'all. Then what is 16 times 2? Not quite. 32. 32. Okay. Any questions about that one? Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 5 to the 3rd power. Let's write the expanded form or the exponential form of 5 to the 3rd power. See what you come up with. Haley, you okay? I need you to sit up, babe, okay? We're writing 5 to the 3rd power, the expanded form of 5 to the 3rd. Ashley, you good? Okay. How do you write the expanded form of 5 to the 3rd power? What do you think, Tamir? What do you think? If you write, say you got 5 times.
5 times 5 times 5.
Very good, babe. 5 times 5 times 5. And we're writing it how many times? 3 times. 3 times. Because the exponent is 3. Enrique, are you okay with it? Okay. All right, now let's simplify. What is 5 times 5 equal to? 25. Bring down the times 5. What's 25 times 5? 125. 125. Any questions about that? Miss Reyes, how do we type that in our calculator? And everybody should have one, right? Let's do 2 to the 5th power first. Okay, let me pause. A couple people are going to get theirs. All right, here we go. We're going to type in 2 to the 5th power. That's 2. Press the 2. Caret key is right here. It's called a caret key, but it's for exponents. Don't know why they call it a caret key. Then 5. Caret key is right under the enter. That's 2 to the 5th. Hold it up so I can make sure everyone, press enter, by the way. Hold it up so I can make sure that everyone has it typed in correctly and we know what we're doing. Good job. Good job. Very good, very good, very good. Hayden, can I see your sweetie? Thank you. Good job. Very good, 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 very good. Good job, great. You see yours? Yes, good, good. Very good, Abby. Very good. Very good, baby. All right. And Enrico, did you get it? Good job, y'all. Did you get it, baby? Okay. So we should have gotten 32. Let's do 5 to the 3rd power. Remember, there's a 3rd power button in here. Where is the 3rd power button? Let's type in 5 first. Instead of using the caret key, what's the other button that we could press to do to the 3rd power? Anybody remember? Somebody said it, but it was really light. No. Math. When you press math, which one of those is to the 3rd power? Nope, that's cube root. Third. 3. That's another way to go to the 3rd power, okay? And press enter. All right, or you can use 5 caret key 3. Any questions about that? Let's practice clearing the calculator again because we need to know how to do that. We want to clear absolutely everything. We're resetting, sorry. So how do you reset? Second plus, oh, what before? 7. Then what? All. Then what? 1 or enter. And then what? 2. Second plus 7, all, 1, 2. Second plus 7, all, stroll over to all, 1, 2. All right. Okay, let's keep moving. I want you to do this one on your own. I want the expanded form, and then I want the answer. 8 to the 4th power. I want the expanded or the exponential form, and then you can type in your answer. I want the expanded or the exponential form, and then I want you to type in your answer. You okay? All right. Hayden, are you good with it? Okay. Genesis? Alyssa, are you okay with it, babe? Okay. Colton, how you feel? You all right? Okay. Isaac? What's up, babe? Okay. Did you already write it? Come on, baby cheeks. We got 8 to the 4th power, okay? Do you need to see the top part of my page? Are you a little behind? Okay. All right, let's see what we got, okay? Slide it up just a little bit. How do I write the expanded or the exponential form for 8 to the 4th power? Haley? Tell me how to write that. Because 8 4 times is not really what I want to hear. No, not point. 8. Say again? Times. Yes, ma'am. 8 times. Okay, good. Do you understand why I'm telling you to say times? It's multiplication, right? Okay, good deal. All right, so now let's type this in and see what we get as our answer. How do I type this in my calculator? What do I press, Carter? 8 caret key 4. And what should I get as my answer? Do you see that? Somebody that said 32, what did they do? They did 8 times 4, which is very different from 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. Okay, what's 8 times 8? It's already 64, right? Then bring down the times 8. I did this. Bring down times 8. Type in what's 64 times 8? 512. Bring down the times 8. We're doing it one more time. What's 512 times 8?
4,900.
That's that 4,900 what?
96.
Sorry, 4,096. I said it wrong too. All right, and that's what that should give you. So we're multiplying. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 6 to the 8th power. Write that in expanded or exponential form. Pause to give us a cheat. All right, so let's do it. Okay, how would we write 6 to the 8th power? Is your hand raised or are you just stretching? Just stretching. Go ahead, baby. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 8. We're multiplying 6 times itself that 8 times, right? Okay. So let's type that in. All right. Did you get something already? Can you tell us how you type it in? Let me clear my screen. Tell us how you type that in.
8.
Not 8.
I'm going to
6.
Carrot
Caret
key.
key.
8.
8. Excellent.
And I got 1, 6, 7, 9, 6, 1, 6.
Put the commas after every third number so we can practice saying the number correctly. So I'm going to write what she just said. She said 1, 6, 7, 9, 6, 1, 6, right? After every third number, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How do you say this number? 1 million. 1 million.
67,000.
No, 600. They're right.
What?
679,000. Then what?
616.
Yes, very good. We don't say and until we get to a decimal, okay? Don't say and until you get to a decimal. All right, good job. Any questions about that? All right, let's do this one, and then we are going to get packed up, okay? Let's do 12. Which one haven't we done? Let's do a little smaller. Sorry, y'all. Let's do 7 to the 8th power. You're like, that's not much smaller, Miss Reyes. Sorry. And I did to the 8th power. I should have did another one. That's okay. We're just going to keep it. I just need you to know what you're doing. Okay, we're going to we're not finished. We didn't get to start the foldable. We're going to put that where? Where do we put stuff that we still got to work on? And our work to do folder, please. We're going to put our calculators back on the wall. We're going to put our calculators back on the wall.